Hi, in this video we will see how we can fix the common error like this type error xpath missing on record positional argument query. And if you start working with Scrapy for a couple of days, or you just started, I mean if you are a beginner, then this type of error is common, and this is one of the error which I also got at the beginning as confused. So later I decided to make a video so that if you get this type of error, you can know what is the main root cause of this error and how to fix it. So let's get started. So at first let's go to the code. So here is the code. Basically it's very simple code. This is the spider code. Is very simple code, nothing else. And I was trying to scrap the first page of this page. I just needed to extract the title, okay, which is very simple. Okay, and I made this query response.xpath then .get, and this is the tag. Sometimes it happens that we just finish coding like response.xpath.get, we use this type of method or this type of thing, which is very simple, but still we get lost if we get this type of error. So for me, I had a little bit struggle what I was doing the mistake. Okay, the xpath is working properly, still I didn't figure out. Later I tried to read the error. At the beginning I didn't read the error properly, so I had to spend like 20 more minutes to find out what is the main issue for this, where I am doing the mistake. I did the same project again, okay, in another environment I created, but still I was getting the error. So let's see how we can fix. So this is the error. So here if we read the error message carefully, okay, then we might easily actually figure out. Okay, so this is the script. Basically it is executing, it is trying to execute. After that it is halting here, right? So here it is showing that page title response.xpath.get, and this is the parameter for that xpath. Okay, but here it is mentioning type error xpath. This is a function, right? Missing on record positional argument. That means query. That means something is missing inside it, like positional argument query. That means here there should be something. I missed it. So what is the thing? Okay, so if we go our code, then we see that there is nothing. Basically we should have to put something. Xpath for what? Okay, it needs on query parameter, right? So this is the position parameter we need to put inside it instead of this get. Okay, inside this get there is no parameter, actually this method. Okay, so I did that mistake, so I was getting that error. So if we cut it and then you can put it back here in the xpath, and then just save it and try to run this spider, then you will see that error gone. Okay, so I'm going to show you that like that. I'm expanding this thing, and let me clear the screen. Okay, now I'm trying to run the script by writing the command scrapy run spider then w3school.py, and then hit enter or return key of your keyboard, and then you will see that it is executing successfully. And if we scroll up a little bit, we are seeing that here there is no error. It's scrolled successfully, and it is able to give us the proper output. Okay, title web building. Okay, that's all, guys. So basically if you get that type of error, so just remember it that you are doing some mistake here. Basically response.xpath, and here either you are forgetting the like the xpath argument over there, I mean the positional argument over there, or not, or you are typing somewhere here. Basically when you will do coding, you are in hurry. Basically this is very common. We generally do, I also do, and I also did. I showed you that this is the mistake I did, and I showed you what type of error you will get and how to solve it. That's all, guys. Hopefully this fix might be helpful some of you someday, and thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.